Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. Okay, I got two packages that I'm finna unbox. I'm pretty sure I know one of them gonna be like my TV stand. As you can see, my TV is sitting on the floor, and I forgot what the small packages is. So let's unbox. Okay, I got some cleaning sponge dusters. I can reuse these. For my vent in the hallway that I got, I'm gonna use these to clean it with. That's why I got them. And the next one I know for certain is my TV stand. So guys, I want to give you an update on the TV stand, how it's going. It is currently 2:04 in the morning. I just got out work at 12. So I'm trying to get this done before my kids get up, so I can be able to, relax and I won't have to worry about trying to put it up later on. But yeah, I just want to give you guys an update. This how it's. So guys, this is a finished product and I'm finally grateful that it's done. And it turned out really, really well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.